yaw control of wind turbines. This lecture is part of power plant instrumentation. To understand the topic, first we have to understand about the horizontal axis wind turbine. As you can see that the wind turbine is having blades which are connected with the hub, and in turn the shaft of the wind turbine is housed in a casing. The same casing is having generator also. So the casing is called nacelle, and since this nacelle is in horizontal position, this wind turbine is called horizontal axis wind turbine. We are going to talk about the angular movement of nacelle. Nacelle movement is called yaw. That means nacelle shall move in a plane parallel to the ground. So how this yaw motion is achieved, we shall see in the next slide. So we are talking about yaw control in upwind and downwind machine. First we have to understand what is the upwind and the downwind. This is an example of upwind wind turbine, and this is example of downwind. This upwind turbine is direction, or the yaw motion is being controlled with the help of this tail vane. So this is called upwind with tail vane passive yaw control. That means no control system is required here. But in this upwind turbine, we are having a wind direction sensor, and this wind direction sensor is connected with a control system, which in turns controls the direction of the nacelle of the wind turbine. So we call it upwind with active yaw control. And this example is about the downwind with the free yaw. So that means the moment the wind direction changes, the nacelle shall become parallel with the wind direction. So what we have discussed till now, I have now put in a point-wise fashion. If you want to note down these points, you may press the pause button, and once you want to continue with the lecture, you can always press the play button. Here are two more points for the yaw control. Now we are going to talk about the pitch control system. To understand this pitch control system, we have again go back to the systematic diagram of the wind turbine. Here you can see that the rotor is connected with the hub. If we want to rotate the rotor with reference to its axis, it is called pitch control. This pitch control is being used for controlling the speed of the wind turbine. So the pitch blade is controlled by rotating it from its root where it is connected to the hub. Pitch control mechanism is provided through the hub using hydraulic jack in the nacelle. The control system continuously adjusts the pitch to obtain optimal performance. In modern machines, pitch control is incorporated by controlling only outer 20% length of the blade, that is tip, keeping remaining part of the blade as fixed. Here is the diagram showing the turbine blade, the blade root and the hub. And here with the help of this arrow we are explaining the direction of the pitch control. This lecture is delivered by Dinesh Kumar Chadha, that is myself. This lecture has been videographed by Shri Gaurav Chadha.